Welcome, gardeners. Join me, Noni Kumalo, and let's dive right into the benefits you get for free when you join the Life is a Garden tribe. The rewards are rich on our side of the fence, and we're always happy to share. First off, we connect you with industry experts and provide insights directly from accredited sources. This means that you get the content that is relevant to the season, your region, and from a local source with plants and products you can purchase. Speaking of shopping, we also provide a nationwide directory on our website with easy access to your nearest GCA Garden Center and GCA Home Store. As mentioned in our previous video, these are stores which have met SANA's series of criteria and evaluations aimed at ensuring the highest possible customer experience. Life is a Garden also caters to both beginner and experienced gardeners. With us, you'll get the best advice on how to start a project, but also how to challenge and expand your gardening skills. Lastly, we love family fun in the garden and the future of our planet. Our DIYs and grow guides are aimed at including children and cultivating a sense of responsibility and appreciation for our indigenous wildlife. Jump on board and join us on Facebook at Life is a Garden SA and subscribe to our delightful newsletter via our website at www.lifeisagarden.co.za.